Which part do you want?
Like
the middle or the tail or yeah?
Middle. Here, okay. Good morning, world. So makeup jump. I mean, let me redo that for you guys. Good morning, everybody. So makeup jump. 1, 2. Good morning, everybody. So I'm still kind of sleepy. I don't know why. I think I slept a lot yesterday. I did. I'm still sleeping. Why am I still sleeping? But anyway, let's read the quote of the day. And today, we're gonna go to the Rusun again to not meet the children. Rusun is like a building that's provided by the government for people who can't afford housing. It's like a better version of a shelter, let's say. I think they're better off than being homeless, but it's like a shelter. And yeah, we're gonna go there because on the weekends, they have activities for the kids. And in the weekday, which is today, a Monday, they have activities for the mother and they teach them how to sew. So we're gonna go check that out today. But before anything, let's read the quote of the day. Today's quote says, people seem not to see that their opinion of the world is also a confession of their character. That quote is so true, guys. And in terms of me, so you guys remember like last month I was like crying every day and like being all depressed. I remember one significant difference that I do from then and now is I stopped complaining. Complaining became a habit. That's why the world looked sucky for me. But every time you complain or make a complaint, try pointing it out and try to change it into something that's not a complaint. Or yeah, just stop complaining, guys, because complaining ain't gonna do you anything. Here's a link, Mel Robbins, which made me realize that I was complaining a lot. But yeah, let's go to the Rusun, guys. Talk to you guys later. I got a chicken sausage sandwich thing and a free donut. Tastes exactly how you would imagine it, guys. Jadi, ini berapa? How much was this?
20.
Is it 20 karena the size of the bag atau?
The variant.
Iya. Oh gitu. Mau.
Oh.
Mau ikan aja.
Oh.
Ayam enak? Ayam lebih enak.
Biasa sih kita makan ini, ikan enak. Ayam juga enak sih. Ayam aja. Ini bisa berdua tapi
Ya, aku mau ikan.
Ini?
Ini lebih enak daripada ini.
Ya.
Oke, ini aja.
Ada sop.
Oke, ini aja.
Ada sop Ki. Oh, ada sop. Sayurnya enggak?
Hampir habis ya.
Sop aja boleh.
Oh, aku mau nasi setengah.
Setengah. Kayak biasa Bu ya.
Udah habis.
Terus mau ikan? Iya, two rice.
Setengah bisa.
Oh, setengah lagi. Kurangin
Ya.
lagi. Iya, kurangin lagi. Kiki segini. Ya. Nih, segini Seth.
Ya, oke.
Pakai apa? Apa? Ikan. Ikan apa? Ini ada ikan goreng, ikan pedas, ikan bumbu kuning.
Inak pedas enak ya kan? Inak pedas aja. Iya.
Do you like spicy?
Aku suka ya.
Which part do you want?
Like
the middle or the tail or yeah?
Middle.
Sayur lah.
Mau sayur.
Sop.
Oke.
Mau sopnya juga itu dikit. Ya, bagi 2 kali ya. Ininya dia ngelampasnya begitu. Yuhu. Banyak. Ada pakai ikan apa ya? Ini ikan apa aja Bu? Berapa Bu? Aku?
Ya, 11.
11. Yang pakai ikan?
Ikan 10.
10.
Ya, 10.
Kucing namanya Merengki.
Namanya Preki.
Guys, fun fact about mangosteen. There's 7. Apparently that means you could know by the back because the flower parts, there's 7 as well. Ija's artwork. Ini fotonya untuk Instagram gitu. Well, you could edit it, I think. Kenapa?
Magic.
Wow.
Magic loh, ya benar. Biar agak muda. Oke, dulu deh. Magic.
Oh, takut. Oh.
Dengan mati itu doanya nggak kabul.
Magic dia.
Jadi magic ya.
Nya nggak ada. Oh, bukannya sweet sama makanan panas pinjam aja. Iya.
Orang nggak? Sunset. Oh, sunset. Oh, gitu. We're going home now using the chat. Lupa lagi bahasa Indonesianya full.
Full?
Penuh. Penuh. Oh, penuh banget. Kita akan naik ini?
Tidak.
Oh.
Ini ke Bekasi, ke tempat tadi kita.
Oh gitu. Yeah, okay. Okay. Bisa?
Yeah.
Come.
Because you're going to drop.
Hey guys, so I'm back home, finished exercising, finished editing. Today is an off day. I officially have nothing to do tomorrow, so yeah, it should be good. Today at the Rusun, so I go to the Rusun sometimes I go because I like the concept of Stream the Lion, which is the company, the group, the volunteer group that I support. And basically I went there today. Well, I was just chilling with them because yeah, I want to be more like them, right? And I realized like they're doing they made a whole bunch of charts and they're like writing a whole bunch of things, and I was just sitting there because aku gak bisa ngerti semua gitu. Tapi like I was a little like beating myself up for the fact that I didn't understand it at first. Tapi kalau aku pulang ke rumah terus message teman-teman, I realized bahasa Indonesia aku lebih lancar. Udah gitu, like already it's more fluent just by spending one whole day with like full Indonesian speakers. So I guess it was good. Thanks for tuning in on another day of stay up, and yeah, I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Bye guys.